Welcome back to German with Andy. This is the German for Beginners course, day 6. Das Hähnchen. Das Hähnchen. The chicken, like in poultry or the chicken in general. Let's make a sentence with that. Ein Hähnchen mit Pommes, bitte. Ein Hähnchen mit Pommes, bitte. Here we're actually using words that we learned before, bitte, and the new word, ein Hähnchen. And we're asking for a chicken with fries, please. Very useful if you go and have street food in Germany, because there's a very popular German street food dish where you get a whole roasted chicken if you order that. Ein Hähnchen mit Pommes, bitte. Very good. Next one. Das Hähnchen ist braun. Das Hähnchen ist braun. The chicken is brown. Next one, we actually want to get used to the article. In English, you have the, the. In German, we have 3. Der, die, das. First, let's use that example on the chicken. So we could say das Hähnchen, the chicken. Here we use das. Then we could have the rooster, der Hahn, der Hahn, the rooster, der. Then we could use die Hühner, die Hühner, the chickens. Now this might sound confusing. How to use it? So der, die, das in general stands for the, right? The chicken, the poultry, the whatever. Now, in German, you have der, die, das, and der is used for male words. For example, der Hahn. Hahn apparently is male and therefore has to be used der Hahn. Die is used for female. So actually, Hühner is a plural, but for example, die Frau, which is the woman, would be female, and that therefore you have to use die. The last one is das. It's used for neutrals, such as das Hähnchen, the chicken, or das Bett, the bed. You see, der, die, das seems like to follow a structure where der is used for male things, male jobs, male people, right? Die for female and das for neutral. However, it gets a little bit more complicated because it doesn't always follow this structure. It gets a little bit more complicated because, for example, the table, you would imagine the table is a neutral article, das, right? Because it's an object. Why would you use male or female for that? But table is der Tisch. Why? Because it's German. Right. Now you hopefully learned how to use the articles der, die, das, and how to order a whole chicken in Germany. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.